how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. You're still the one. Yeah, you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Oh yeah, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan. Kung ano man ang nararamdaman, asahan mong ako'y andito lang. Di ako lalayo kailan pa man, kailan pa man. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian.
may perfect na pagkaminikanan. Pero kung sa inyong nakita nga pati sa mga pamilya, ayaw lang ninyo i-follow. So, ninyo ang inyong pagsinagtanan, maragay, importante, ang inyong gugma, ipatibabaw yun ninyo, ang inyong garbo, yun ninyo ipataas. Kinsa itong kinaknan yun ninyo pag sinagtanay sa usag-usa ninyo. Only, ibutan yun ninyo ang atong labang makagagahon, ipatiwala yun ninyo. So, ang inyong garbo ay ninyo o ipataas, kinaknan na ay masuko. So, ang pusa is now. So, di man may perfect, ayaw lang ninyo kung naami mga kasaypanan ni sa kaginikanan, ayaw ninyo i-follow. So, congratulations. Dagan sa lahat.
Alright, thank you very much, fans, for more Illuminati House, the parents of the I-appeal lang po ang mga sa loob. Mother, 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 mother,
Magbuong anak sa imong anak. Nagdaog sila mag-igsuon. Diyan kalimot, primero dyan na ako pag kailan niya. Hindi ni mo lang ako anak. Ako ba yun ang ako anak? Sugad-gad to. Tingin sila, nagsuntim kamukha daw. Siguro, kamukha po ng ilang matansan. Nagkasinabog 18 years. Abi ganin ako, pag 6 years nila, na mag-minib na. Kaya 6 years na sa amin. Kilabuan pa. Nangitagin sila kung ang ayan mo sila. Karon, kaya nagpakasalaman mo, sa ito pa, natagkan na nila ang usap-usap. Ako lang, kung sa kalaw ng inyong natukan, mas pa kay karon ligahan. Salamat sa iyong ipakita sa ako. Walang pinalunggan sa gamay. Yung usahay, napag yung tinatugan siguro nga, si mama niliya labing busy ko yung makadungog ko nga dili ko gusto pero kasabot siya kay pagmahal ko na ito sa iyo dili man daw mag-effort o kasaba kung dili na ito sila mahal diba marin sa wala sila kung magkakangkak na si mama kay baw sila love na love ko sila anak mo puhon kami sa una anak ko yung mama kinagdaim sayang anipol ko dili ni mo lang sila now so karon kung magpabalong sila yaw-yaw ka nga no kayo sa anak. So, ako lang, sama sa giingon ni Maria, dili make for big. Pero,
Tony! Anyway, I would like to say thank you for all of you. For those people in the flight of leave, katong ni absent, ni half day, thank you so much. Ni Kating, o
Ano yung dating, sir?
the sick leave, the flight of leave, yeah, joke. Anyway, Leah and I would like to say thank you to all of you for all of your efforts, your money, and ano ba man? Time. And would you like to add?
First, so thank you for both of our family, especially sa Puerto family nga ikat pagidog Argao. And then sa akong family nga napagikat pa sa Leyte and Manila. Thank you so much for coming here. And also from our friends from abroad, Kumomi, and also we have some of the lover family, Brunel and fiance. So thank you so much for coming. And also sa ako ang mga co-faculty sa UC Manila. Thank you so much. And to, of course, our entourage. To our entourage nga bahala gisap